Welcome to already the first OWASP SAMM community call for January 2026. As usual, we start off with a couple of updates on the project and upcoming events. And this also this month we do a podcast. And actually, the podcast is not on not applicable scoring and targets, but it's on SAMM and CR8. But we'll come back to that in a couple of slides. It's not that we do a podcast like every month. Sometimes we do a deep dive on a SAMM practice, or we invite somebody on with a specific topic related to SAMM. But this month is a podcast month. Now, upcoming events and activities around the project. We're organizing an OWASP SAMM training. So Aram, who's part of the core team, is going to give that as part of the London OWASP trainings in the UK, which is already next month in February 25, 26. So if you're in or around London, or you can make it to London and you want to have like a 2-day boot camp on building an AppSec program with OWASP SAMM, this is highly recommended. Also, Aram is really also obviously knowledgeable on the project, so I would highly recommend to give it to have a good look at it and to register if at all possible. So that's already next month. In a couple of months, so further down this year, as usual, as part of the European AppSec conference from OWASP, we're also again organizing a user day. And as we did last year in Washington, this month also, this year also, we're going to do it together with DSAM. So it's an OWASP SAMM and DSAM user day, and it's going to be in Vienna, in Austria, end of June. So it's a full day of talks, workshops, roundtables, everything related to SAMM. And if you want to participate, obviously you're more than welcome. If you have a topic or a suggestion of a roundtable or a proposal that you want to do, make sure to follow our channels, but also to have a look at this URL here. If you trust this QR code, have a look at it. It's actually going to a Google form where you can submit your proposal. If you don't trust that, just send us an email or get in touch with us through any of the known channels. So those are the updates that we have from the project. And if you're listening to this, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that bell to get notifications if you're into that. And make sure to follow any of our channels for upcoming events. So with that, I'm going to wrap up the podcast. We have the different channels that you can reach us through. This Slack channel, meetups, I would say, for as long as it lasts, because it could be that we're going to discontinue that. But to make sure that you get updates, you have the YouTube channel, but also make sure to register yourself for our newsletter. With that, I'm at the end, and I'd like to thank you very much